If you've ever wondered how to view your CapCut history on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to find your CapCut project history, check your recent drafts, and even verify the files manually on your computer if the history page isn't loading properly. This is super helpful if you want to reopen an old edit, find a project you worked on recently, or confirm that your drafts are actually saved on your device. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, launch CapCut on your PC. Once the app opens, you'll land on the main homepage. This is the starting point where CapCut shows your recent activity, your projects, and your workspace options. If you're trying to view your editing history, the homepage is the best place to begin because it gives you direct access to your saved drafts. Now look below the main area and find the Projects section. This is where CapCut organizes your drafts and saved edits. Click on Projects to open your project library. In most cases, your timeline grid will appear here, and your drafts will be arranged in chronological order. That means the newest edits should be right at the top, making it easy to find your most recent work without scrolling through everything manually. If you have a lot of drafts, scroll through the grid carefully. You can use the visible project thumbnails, names, and saved timestamps to identify the exact file you want. This is the easiest way to view your CapCut history because it gives you a quick visual record of the projects you've worked on. Just remember, the top entries are usually the newest, so start there first. If your history is not loading correctly, or if you want to double-check where CapCut stores your files on your computer, there is another method you can use. CapCut saves project data locally on Windows, so you can verify the physical files yourself through File Explorer. This is especially useful if a draft seems missing inside the app, but may still exist on your machine. To do that, open Windows File Explorer, then click the address bar at the top and paste this path. C users admin AppData local CapCut user data projects.com lerveditor.draft. If your computer uses a different username, replace admin with your actual PC name. After pasting the path, press enter. If you don't see the AppData folder, don't worry, it's usually hidden by default. At the top of File Explorer, click View, then check the box for hidden items. Once hidden items are enabled, the AppData folder should appear, and you can continue navigating to the CapCut project directory. Inside that folder, you'll see your history stored as individual project folders. Each draft folder contains a draft_info.json file, which tracks the chronological changes and version state of that project. In simple terms, this file helps CapCut remember your draft details and editing history. So if you're troubleshooting missing projects, this is the backend location you want to check. And that's it. You now know how to view CapCut history directly inside the app using the Projects section and how to verify your saved draft files manually through Windows File Explorer. This gives you two useful ways to find your edits, whether you want a quick check in CapCut or a deeper file-level verification on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.